got our boarding passes. Thank you VMT for once again supporting us, right? For those of you who know me well, you know that I've got a soft spot for VMT. If it wasn't for VMT Catamarans, I probably wouldn't have my business up and running the way I do today. When I first started doing my tours, VMT had a kiosk in Funchal, and they started selling our tours because they were the first persons who actually kind of liked me, right? So thanks again, guys. And yeah, looks like people are getting in line. We're getting in line. We're going to Desertas Islands today. They are the islands that we see, the 3 islands just in front of Funchal. I haven't been there for a long time. It's been probably at least a decade. Right? You might not believe it, but yes, it's been almost 10 years since I've been to Desertas Islands. But of course, COVID was in the middle of that. So yeah, let's check it out. Everybody's favorite part of the catamaran is right in the front here on the nets, right? Today it's time to take off the shoes, take off the boots, chill out a little bit, do some work at the same time. We're heading out to Desertas Islands, and it's about, I believe, about 2.5 hours to get there, more or less. Again, I haven't been for a while. I've been about 3 or 4 times, but it's been at least 10 years since I've been out. And funny, one of the crew members that's with us today, the last time I was there was when she just started in this business. So that's pretty awesome. Sada is with us, and very glad to have a familiar face on board. So yeah, hoping the the conditions look good, and I think we're gonna have a good trip over to Desertas. Maybe we'll see some wildlife. Yeah, been meaning to be on a boat for a while, so I'm very happy. Less blabbing. Let's enjoy Funchal's coastline. Podemos ter 3 cafés, se faz favor. E para mim uma garrafinha de água. O que tem de água? Grandes, pequenas? Só pequenas? So of course, just like anything, you have to be prepared, right? If you're going up into the mountains, you have to be prepared for rain, for sun, for everything. And on the boat is the same story. So of course, on the trip there, we're gonna be a little bit sheltered. I've got my jersey. Tiago's got the right idea there with the windbreaker. That one kind of left, but I've got with me a little backpack. And in the backpack, of course, I've got a towel, sunscreen. I forgot the water, so we're gonna get some water and some coffee, which is great. And cash, right? Cash.
Or cards.
Or cards. Yes. Amazing. If you guys know me, I recommend two types of boat trips. Hopefully this is going to be a more regular occurrence on this vlog. So we do some more boat stuff this summer. But the catamaran is great for somebody who wants a little bit more comfort, because you can walk around, you've got more spaces to sit down, and of course, you've got drinks on board, which is amazing. So yeah, can't wait to get there. As the Portuguese say, the water is, how do we say in Portuguese, azeite, eh? Tá no azeite. Means it looks like olive oil. It's nice, it's flat, it's calm, it's perfect. So we've just arrived at Desertas. We saw some dolphins and some Cory shearwaters, some birds. There are a lot of birds here, and we are going to get into the information, right? The facts, the history about Desertas, what goes on these islands, and all sorts of great things once we get there. I'm just excited. The weather looks good. It took us about just under 2.5 hours to get here. So yeah, everything is going according to plan. And I'm already a little bit wet. The net's wet. You gotta watch where you sit. Good thing I brought some more clothes, huh? Anyway, can't wait to get inside the water and to start catching some sun and enjoying the day here in Desertas. Yeah, let's get this jersey off. Let's get rid of these. Hey, And from now on, I'm barefoot. Woo! Aye! Again, gotta get used to it.
Like I said before, the first house that was built in Deserta Grande, in this specific place, that one was built in 1988 and it was built right behind you on this flat area. That house was demolished because of safety measures, because there's a lot of falling rocks on this side of Doca. And for safety measures, they decided to demolish that one to build the other one in 2005, okay? When I started working here back in 2015, when I started to make these visits in Deserta Grande, this rock wasn't here, okay, believe me. This one is quite recent, so it has 2 or 3 years. That's why when we bring visitors, we do not allow the people to stay around here while we are here in Doca, okay? You can only stay with me or with another guide, and when we finish the visit, you can only stay nearby the beach and nearby the house. Meanwhile, you have a dragon tree at the back of you, okay? It's a very special tree, okay? That one is protected. There's a fence around the tree because of the goats. They also make the trail to the top. It's incredible because there's a trail to the top and it starts down there where you see a handmade wall. Then if you look to the right side and a little bit up of that handmade wall, you can see some steps, right? The tank I was talking about, the seawater tank, is that one, okay? Then there's a pump that pumps the water to the house, and the guards, they only use it to clean, okay? To drink, they have to bring from Madeira Island every time the team changes.
So as you can tell, when you do a tour like this with VMT, there is so much value in this trip. They've really thought about everything. Of course, having Sada here. Are you the head honcho now, Sada?
Something like that.
Something like that, right?
Yeah. I made an internship here before in 2013.
Okay.
So that's why I know everything about the place and I really like it.
Yeah, we can tell.
I really like it. It was special for me to make the internship after I graduated in marine biologist, so this is a very important place for me.
Fantastic, and that just shows, you know, the kind of people that you guys have on board, the kind of hard work that's happening. It's incredible. So yeah, when you guys come on the trip, you're going to get the pleasure of having a tour with Sada around. She's been explaining everything from the volcanic formations, the construction, the wildlife, the plants. I'm sure you said something about the plants because we weren't.
Yes, there's some specific plants that belong to the Desertas. They are endemic species,
Right.
But most of them are endemic from Macaronesia. So it's a region that shares different plants and different fauna, the animals. And so, for instance, if you visit Cape Verde, Azores Islands and Canary Islands, you can find some of the plants you see here and in Madeira and in Porto Santo. So, yeah.
Can I ask you one difficult question?
Let's see if I can make it.
Why is it called Desertas?
Desertas, because nobody could colonize. So, like I said, for several times people try to colonize, inhabit the island.
Yeah.
but there's no natural water.
Right.
Imagine to live on a place like this,
Like a desert.
like a desert.
Okay.
Yeah, so they couldn't make it. That's why they called it
Desertas.
Island.
Anyway, thank you very much
You're welcome.
for that. We're gonna go and enjoy our day off, you know, because we're kind of doing two things here. We're taking some time off and relaxing, and we're also filming for everybody out there. Guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think if you like this video. And then of course, you know, get in touch with VMT Madeira for this epic trip. And don't do like me to wait 10 years to come back to Desertas. Anyway, yeah, thank you again, Sara.
You're welcome.
And yeah, let's go, let's move. That's it, guys. What a beautiful day we had with VMT. I highly recommend them. I've been recommending them for years. And of course, the same kind of trip I had last time was absolutely amazing. Great summer trip for those of you who like to be on the water, who like a nice big adventure. Definitely as well for nature lovers, so you can learn a little bit more about the different kind of, you know, archipelago, the different characteristics of the islands of our archipelago. There are other trips, so if you check out vmtmadeira.com, then you can check out the shorter dolphin and whale watching trips. They've got sunset trips, they've got New Year's fireworks trips, they've got all sorts of stuff. Check out their website, you won't be disappointed. And maybe, just maybe, in August we could get another trip, maybe a sunset trip or something. Who knows, right? VMT, I'll be catching up with you guys later. For those of you who are watching, if you watched last week's video, you're probably thinking, Jeff, you told us that you're gonna show us more history and more things like this and less touristy stuff, and this is touristy stuff. No, this is not just for tourists. All of you who are living on the island, even you know, Madeirans who have maybe not been to Desertas Islands, this is a great way to do it. Remember guys, book directly with VMT. And Luis,
It's the time.
it's the time.
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. I'm late, right? I'm late. I gotta pick up the girls. All right. I gotta see my cousins because it's summer in Madeira, and whenever it's summer in Madeira, everybody's in Madeira, especially South Africans, cousins. Like it's crazy, right? So I gotta see my people and then I have to go. So I'll see you guys later. I love you all.